Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss mole concept from class 10 ICSE board and mole concept from some basic concepts of chemistry from class plus 1 CBSE. Very frequent doubts are taken by students from this chapter, and students are not able to get that confidence about the conceptuals of this chapter. The reason which I personally believe is that lack of practice. These all are conceptuals, bacha, and you have to practice more and more to get the that expertization which is going to enhance your confidence about these topics or these concepts. So please do the practice. Without practice you can't do the numericals or the conceptuals of these concepts, and obviously chemistry require the loads of practice है ना. One take a huge whole lifespan to understand the chemistry of another, so you have to pay attention towards these concepts. So I try my level best to use various flow sheets and the formulas to make the concept very clear and simple. So let's begin. First, we are going to uh, talk about the various formulas which we can use to calculate the number of moles. Okay, so first, if you want to calculate the number of mole at the volume of gas at STP, STP means standard temperature and pressure, you can multiply by 22.4 liters. I am repeating once again, if you want to calculate mole at the volume of gas at STP, means standard temperature and pressure, you can multiply by 22.4 liters. Similarly, the second way is to calculate the number of mole. You can also multiply molar mass with the mass of substance. Molar mass is the wholesome mass of the molecule, and to calculate the number of mole, you can multiply the molar mass with the mass of substance. Similarly, if in a conceptual Avogadro's number is given, then you can multiply mole with the Avogadro's number to calculate the number of entities. If you want to calculate the number of entities by using the mole and Avogadro's number, you must multiply these two terms with each other. Okay. तो पहले जितना भी हमने इस फ्लो शीट में समझा वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन से समझा. मल्टीप्लिकेशन से हम कैसे कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं मोल को 22.4 लीटर्स. अगर हमें वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस कैलकुलेट करनी है स्टैंडर्ड टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर पे, जिसे हम एसटीपी बोलते हैं, वी कैन कैलकुलेट मोल by multiplying it with the Avogadro's number to calculate the number of entities. Third, we can calculate mass of a substance by multiplying molar mass with the mole. तो ये बेसिकली जो है हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्मूलाज को समझा. ऐसे ही अगर हमें डिवीजन करने की जरूरत पड़ती है तो वो हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं. अगर हम वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस को एट एसटीपी डिवाइड कर देते हैं 22.4 लीटर से, तो हमें मोल मिल जाएगा. What I am saying, to calculate the mole at the volume of a gas at STP, we can divide the value by 22.4 liters. Similarly, if numerical is having the mass of substance, then we can divide it by molar mass to calculate the mole. If the mass of substance is provided, then you can divide it with the molar mass to calculate the mole. Similarly, if the number of entities are given, you can divide it by the Avogadro's number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 to get the mole. So I am repeating once again. We talk about the three different formulas to calculate the mole. First is we can divide Avogadro's number with the number of entities to get the mole. Second, we can divide mass of substance with the molar mass to get the mole. Okay. Now 1 mole of an element is equal to 1 gram atomic mass, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Similarly, 1 mole of an compound is equal to 1 gram molecular mass, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Next, 1 mole of a gaseous substance is equal to 22.4 liters at STP, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms or molecules. Now we always use 1 gram atomic mass for monoatomic gases. Monoatomic means the gases which are having the single atom. For example, helium gas, He, single atom हुआ ना. And for diatomic or polyatomic gases, we use 1 gram molecular mass. Atomic mass monoatomic के लिए और 1 gram molecular mass diatomic या polyatomic के लिए. Number of moles N is equal to the mass of substance, that is small m, divided by the molar mass, that is capital M. Similarly, the second formula for calculating the number of moles, that is small n, can also be calculated by dividing number of particles of substance, that is capital N, by the Avogadro's number, that is N naught, and the value is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Similarly, number of moles N can also be calculated by dividing volume of gas at STP in liters divided by molar volume at STP, that is 22.4 liters. Mass of substance small m can also be calculated by number of moles small n into molar mass capital M. Mass of substance small m can also be calculated if the examiner provides us the number of particles of substance, and the formula is number of particles of substance capital N into molar mass capital M divided by molar volume, that is 22.4 liters. Mass of a given gas small m can be calculated by dividing volume of gas at STP into molar mass M divided by molar volume, that is at 22.4 liters. Number of particles of substance can also be calculated by number of moles small n into Avogadro's number N naught. Number of particles of substance can also be calculated by mass of substance divided by molar mass into Avogadro's number, that is N naught. Number of particles of a given volume of gas can also be calculated by volume of gas at STP into Avogadro's number divided by the molar volume, that is 22.4 liters. These are the conclusion of all the formulas which we can use to calculate the number of moles in the various conditions. For example, if we are providing with the number of particles, or we are provided with the molar mass or molecular mass or volume at STP. So these are the basic formulas which are used in mole concept. So by remembering these formulas, you can easily calculate the moles. Okay, I hope all the formulas are clear to you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.